Right then boys, today I'm going to show you the Etsy dropshipping store of a 16-year-old who's making 25k a month and he's only been running the store for a few months. Now you boys know me, I don't like to beat around the bush. I'm dropping the niche and the product straight away. You can see it here. I recommend you jumping on it. Now some of you are going to be thinking, but others are going to get on it first. Lots of you are going to think that, meaning hardly any of you are actually going to start selling this. This has been a niche and a product that has been booming for a long, long time. Now, take a look at this one, fishing tackle box. It's AirPod cases. Now, great example here. Look at this, it's an Etsy pick. The store's a star seller. They've got phenomenal feedback. They're making lots and lots of cash. Now, we've got this store, this product here, bestseller, 20 plus baskets, 95 sales, 2 months on Etsy. We've got this one here in 20 plus baskets, 34 sales in 2 months, 1 review, which means they have started to just really pick up demand super quickly. This is what it's all about. Finding those stores that are just on that uptick of making sales. And now guess what? You can do it too and capitalize on it. They haven't got full market control yet. Here again, bestseller in 20 plus baskets, a year on Etsy, 726 sales. Now they've only recently been picking up. And if we go back to this general search, you will see there's so many different types of products for you to sell. So many varieties, so many different price points, niche possibilities, customization, personalization, any kind of interest, hobby, room for expansion going into AirPod Maxes. The world really is your oyster with this kind of product. Now, let's go back to this fishing tackle case and let's see, can we source this ourselves? So let's find a good photo and use search image by AliExpress. So, first potential roadblock I've came across, the fishing tackle box didn't come up on here. But would I give up there? No. I will send those images to one of my private suppliers and I will have them go through all the AirPod cases factories in China through all their connections to see if they can find it. Because maybe it is just a brand new product that's barely touched the market yet. Meaning, I'm going to be one of the first early adopters, one of the first people to bring it to the market. And guess what? Being first means making lots of cash. However, in the meantime, I have been sourcing some others. We've got these Marlboro cases, we've got these Apple cases, we've got these little polka dot ones, these little bow ties. If we go on here now, if we click into one of these, we're going to see we've got AirPods 1, 2, 3, we've got new Pros, we've also now got Coca-Cola designs, anime designs, vodka bottles, Vaseline, hearts. Now we've got this supplier here. Take a look at all these AirPod case designs that we could get here, right? These one quick search has now found us 30, 40 potential products. And now I would distribute these between multiple stores and I would scale and I would constantly test. And this is exactly how these people, this 16-year-old has been able to massively capitalize on what Etsy can provide you. Now guys, I hope you found this video useful. It was quick, it was easy, I like to get straight to the point, and I like to provide as much value as I possibly can for you. I'm hoping there's going to be some of you jumping on this niche now, smashing it out for Q4. This product makes an absolute amazing gift product. Parents getting it for their kids. Parents buying their kids new AirPods and they get them a case with it too. We're in a fantastic time. If you jump on it, you're going to make lots of cash. It's going to go really well for you. If you want some more help with this, join Etsy Mafia. I'm always in there. I'm always wanting to help you as best as I can. Anyway, guys, I wish you all the best. I hope you have a great day and go and take action.